Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. We become what we think about. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. You are, at this moment, standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. The biggest mistake that you can make is to believe that you are working for somebody else. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. Everything begins with an idea. The biggest rewards in life are found outside your comfort zone. The problem is not the problem. The problem is your attitude about the problem. What you believe yourself to be, you are. The person who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. People who have goals succeed because they know where they're going. It's as simple as that. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. Our rewards in life will always be in exact proportion to our contribution, our service. Work never killed anyone. It's worry that does the damage. Ideas are elusive, slippery things. Best to keep a pad of paper and a pencil at your bedside, so you can stab them during the night before they get away. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. People who have no central purpose in their life fall an easy prey to petty worries, fears, troubles, and self-pity. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.